Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I am 4 weeks post-op. 4 weeks ago, basically today, I had my chest split wide open heart surgery. They went in and replaced a mitral valve inside my heart and then sewed me right back up. And look at me, 4 weeks later, out here on the river, enjoying myself. Now this video has a hodgepodge, a whole lot of crazy stuff for you. So, I hope you enjoy. Now yes, 4 weeks after open heart surgery and I should not be out here panning. This stuff right now is actually nothing more than props. I am just here to start the video because I have lots of things to show you, mostly back home in the warmth. I do have some panning footage with amazing gold for you though, and that will be included in this video too. So, rather than freezing our butts off here in the river, let's go get warm. So here we are, nice and warm in my basement. Isn't this great? Well, first, let's talk a little bit about my recovery. As I said, 3.5 to 4 weeks ago, I had open heart surgery. They cut me right open. Want to see the scar? No, you don't. Cut me open, fixed my mitral valve in my heart, sewed me all back up, and here I am a few weeks later, and I'm doing fairly well. I still have a couple months of recovery before I can really get out there and work hard in, digging gold. But for now, things are going well. Beard is regrowing. Let's see how long it is. It's about a ½ inch long right now. Awesome. I'll have it back to full length in no time. Next, I have to say a lot of big thank yous out there. I had so many people out there sending me well wishes, wishing me to get well soon, hoping for a good recovery, all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much. The outpouring of good feeling, good wishes really came through, and I heard all of you. I know I didn't respond to all of you. I just couldn't. Thank you so much for your well wishes. I even had a few people, send me some gifts. Thank you, James and Steve from Pen in a Can Pay Dirt. They sent me some of their fever reliever medicine, Pay Dirt, hoping that this kind of medicine will help me get better soon. And I'm going to be panning that out right here, right now, for you. Also have to say thank you to Eli for sending me this beautiful quartz cluster. This is something that he found on one of his rock hounding trips. Beautiful little thing. And all of you that sent me pictures of the stuff that you've been making out of my ocean picture stone, love seeing those. If you bought some of my ocean picture stone and have made something really cool, please send me a picture. I love seeing what others are doing with it. And thank you, David, for the 2 silver dollars you sent me. Those are fantastic. And of course I have to show off these 2 specimen nuggets. Thank you so much. These are amazing. I love gold on quartz. And of course, a huge thanks to all those doctors, nurses, healthcare professionals out there that helped me through all of this, especially in this, COVID time, very difficult for healthcare workers. So any of you that might see my videos, big thank you, and please pass that along to your colleagues. And of course, the most important people in my life, my family. Dana has been so wonderful in taking care of me, my home nurse here, while I haven't been able to do very much of anything. And the kids have been so wonderful. They're making sure I don't work too hard, making sure I don't lift things. I'm not allowed to lift anything. And just, making sure that poor old dad is comfortable wherever he's at. My family is amazing. Thank you so much. Let's get on to panning some pay dirt from Pan in a Can. Okay, first we need something to pan in. Got my nice big Garrett Super Sluice here. We'll need some water in it. Need another pan for panning. And And I think I need a camera over here. There we go. All set. Let's do this. And I had to add a big light from above down into the pan here so this camera can pick it up. So let's have a look. We have the Pan in a Can Fever Reliever for temporary relief of gold fever and for healing a broken heart. And look at this. This one was made especially for me. When James gave me this, he said that this particular can, this particular bottle was made specifically for me. So you can't necessarily take this as a overall, this is what you would get in one of their fever reliever bottles, because I have a feeling they may have mixed this one up, especially for me, to make me, you know, feel good during my recovery. Well, let's see what's inside. There we go. We have dirt. The Pan in a Can pay dirt. So it looks to be all like 1/8 minus material, and for such a small little bottle, of course, you can't put big stuff in there. I don't see anything right off the bat as I pour it in, but let's get it wet and see what it looks like. I'm going to move this camera just a little bit closer and get it right down and on top. There we go. Now, the material in this comes right from their mines in the Cranbrook area. Some of this may have come right from the Nip and Tuck mine. I was there not long ago. I have a video coming out of me at the Nip and Tuck mine. Oh, it's already come out. It came out just before Christmas. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. I really liked that video. Okay, washing off all the mud. Let's see what's in this. I don't typically use these 10-inch Garrett pans. They're, in my opinion, not very useful, not nearly as useful as the big 10-inch Super Sleuths from Garrett, but they do fit really nicely panning in a pan, panning in the 10-inch pan. So I use them in this situation. I see gold! I'm seeing gold coming out at the back. Let's bring this down to the bottom and see what it looks like. Rocking around. Oh yeah! That makes me feel better. As I cough. Oh, coughing hurts. Look at that. That'd make anyone feel good. Gold, gold, gold. Well, I'll definitely take some close-up shots of that for this video. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Pan in a Can guys, for helping me in my recovery. So of course, gotta give everyone some season's greetings. So Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year, just Happy Holidays. Whatever you celebrate or don't, I'm hoping you're having an amazing winter season. Or summer, I guess, if you're down south. Anyhow, season's greetings to everyone. And the last thing I need to talk about is what's coming up for the next year, the next season, the next season of Dan Hurd Prospecting. Well, I have all sorts of big plans for the spring and summer here moving forward, once we can get outside and start mining again. Winter has hit us hard. In the last week we had quite the winter storm come through. There is no mining to be done right now, even if I was healthy. But once spring starts to break through the snow, I have lots of big plans. You will definitely see more from Pickerton. You will definitely see more from the Blue Chip. My dream claim, the one that so many people are so excited about, where I found those big nuggets, that is one of the places I want to spend a lot of my focus on, is that dream claim. Also, the family and I are so excited about the ocean picture stone. Oh yeah, we will be spending a lot of time there as well, and you will definitely see videos coming from those spots. I have some new equipment I'm going to be playing with. Loose Goose sent me a gold drop gold concentrator, and I am going to be playing around with that a lot, and specifically I want to use that at my Trout Creek mine. My permits should be in by spring. I'm having some problems with my permits. They've taken over a year to come through, but they should be in by spring. I have 2 mechanical miners coming up there to actually mine that site. I'm hoping to do the gold cleanup from their sluice runs, and the gold drop from Sluice Goose, it might be one of the tools that I use for that. But I will be playing around with that on video, and you'll get to see that in action as well. I already got to unbox it, take it apart, see what it looks like, and play around a little bit with it. But there will be specific videos on that. I also plan to do some traveling this year, as long as COVID allows me, as long as, these vaccines work and everything. I plan to do some traveling, go down south, go down to the States, visit some people, do some meet and greet type stuff down there. I've got all sorts of destinations down in the States that I plan to visit and take videos down there. So this year should be good. I have a lot more time coming up once I'm healed, of course. And I will hopefully have weekly videos of Dan Hurd prospecting from all of your favorite spots, and a bunch of new ones. Now, I know this video isn't quite what you've come to expect from my channel indoors. You want to see me adventuring outdoors and find that gold, and there will be lots of that to come in the future. I hope you enjoyed my little update here, my health update, my thank yous to all of you out there, and what's to come in the future. One more time, thank you everyone for your support during my very difficult time in this heart surgery. You guys are awesome. And until the next video, everyone.